for Just Nailed It, and we are going to be doing a beautiful blue manicure. This is a beautiful, beautiful blue by Modelones. It is their neon blue from last year. It is 032, in case you need to see that. This did come in a set of neons. You put this over white, it really pops, but that's not what I was looking for. I just think this is a beautiful, beautiful color, as I'm sure you will too. Beautiful. So over to the nails, I'm going to be adding She Modern's glue gel. Then I will be adding Charlie's Hexagon mix. Love, love, love Charlie's. Check them out. It's charliesnailart.uk. Excuse me, backtrack that. charliesnailart.co.uk. So we got those. I'm a brand ambassador for Charlie's. You can save yourself 10% off by using it NailedIt10, all caps. So check out Charlie's. She's got really, really cheap prices and very high quality items. Check her out, check her out, check her out. She's got, I don't know, a lot of beautiful items. I'm a big fan of the foils. Love, love, love them. If you check out my Instagram, you'll see a lot of, excuse me, a lot of pictures with Charlie's nail art being used. And on Instagram, I'm just dot, or period, whatever you want to call it, just dot nailed it. So check me out there for all my pics. And there's usually more pics of stuff than what you're going to see here on YouTube. Because for the Charlie's nail art collab, sometimes I don't do videos for the items. So check out Instagram. You'll see far more pictures than of stuff you do here. So yeah, check that out. I'm having a brain fart here. For top coat, we're going to be using the thick Eye Gel Beauty No Wipe Top Coat because it's a thicker. I do have all my faves sitting here around me. I've got my Diva in a bottle. I've got my Eye Gel Beauty. And my Beetles top it off. But today we're going to be using the Eye Gel Beauty. We'll save the other faves for another time. So I'm going to get my picker-upper here, my wax picker-upper. And they're not going to pick nothing up. And I'm just going to randomly put them on the nail. Remember, I'm only doing 2. So we're going to put some of these babies all over. We need some purple. We need some purple. Maybe a little bit of yellow now. A little bit more pink. And the blue. Let me get some of the... Oh, I got a hair or something on my wax picker-upper. Gotta pick that baby off. Trying to get some of the itty bitties. So I can apply a couple of those here and there. How does that look? I think that looks pretty super cool. It looks even better top coated. It really does. I cannot wait to see it top coated. It is just beautiful. Now remember, this is Charlie's Hexagon mix. There's multi-sizes. Multiples. That's what I do love about this mix. I hope I'm staying in frame. I don't have my mirror imaging app open so I can see where I'm at. I'm just kind of going by my heart here as my center point. And hoping that I'm still in frame. Let me get some of these oranges up here. Gotta have some orange. Gotta have some orange. Maybe a yellow and a pink. Okay, give me a little purple. Alrighty. Let me see here. I think it looks pretty cute. What do you think? Let me put these on the stand. So I'm going to now top coat everything. Wipe one side of your brush off completely. Fan out your brush or try to when you're top coating, that way it gets more of an area. Yeah. If I haven't invited you already, and I don't think I have, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click always, that way you get notified of all future videos. And I wouldn't want you to miss anything because we do have a giveaway coming up. It's going to be a birthday giveaway in March. And this video might go up in March, so stay tuned. Trying to have another milestone giveaway. I need to find some sponsors first. And see how that works out. If I do, it'll be for the 1150 milestone. I'm almost at 1100, so there'd be no point in starting it now. Or by now I might be at 1100 already. So I'm filming this video just about a week early. This is such a beautiful blue. I just can't get over how beautiful it is. So we're going to pop this on the lamp for 60. Hope I was in frame, and we'll be right back. I don't know if we're back yet. We're back, me and my all thumbs. I couldn't see if we were live yet or if we were still on pause, so excuse me for that. Here's our mani fresh out of the lamp. On 3 other nails, I am going to take these sticker gemstones I got at Myers. I thought they were really cute, and for $1 you couldn't go wrong. So hopefully I can get these to stay upright. There we go. I am going to go around them with some top coat. What happened here? What happened here? We have 2. We don't want the littles. We want the bigger ones. We want the bigger ones. Alright. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Come back here. Come back here. Oh, and if I haven't, which I know I haven't asked you, please don't be skipping the ads. I'm going to keep asking until you stop skipping, I guess, because it's really hurting my revenue. My revenue is down by, shouldn't be telling you this, but it's down like by 50% because of the skips. If it's, I heard I even in one video had a 40-minute ad, please by all means skip it. That's just insane. If you get 1 minute, 30 seconds, 15 seconds, please don't skip. If it's longer than a minute, then please by all means skip. Because a 40-minute, a 3-minute, I don't know. I just can't get into that with my channel, someone else's. Make sure you're wiping off one side of your brush. Going as close to the gem as you possibly can. And we'll be sticking these back in the lamp. Give these a quick little cure. And we have a little. Like I said, I got these at Meijer's. These were $1 for 44 pieces. I mean, I know they're just glass. Auto adhesives, auto whatever it says. I thought they were cute. So I figured we could use them. Not as much sparkle as some other gemstones, but you know, they still add their own je ne sais quoi, if you will. Not even sure what that means, but it sounded good. So our lamp is almost done. We will see our final product. Finito. So make sure you subscribe, click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. I upload 3 times a week, unless it's a Glitter Girls week, and then there'll be that extra video. We will be having one for St. Patrick's Day for March. Stay tuned for that. Okay, we are done in the lamp. Here we go, here we go. What do you think? I think these are really super cute. I really do. I like this Manny. I think with the top coat being so thick, and I put 2 layers on over the hexagons, it adds a little bit of dimension to it. I think it's cute. Really cute. So let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Manny here for today. If you're new here, leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you came through. Stop by and say hello. Introduce yourselves. I'd appreciate that. Well, we're done here for today. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.